Hi guys, welcome to Watkins Way. It's Saturday morning. I just woke up and we're gonna make a little country ham with red-eye gravy today. Let me tell you a story about country ham. Country ham is a ham that is smoked in a smokehouse, usually in the southern states like Virginia, Tennessee, Georgia. And what they do is they use hickory wood and they build a fire and they just let it smolder a little bit till it smokes. And it takes several days to smoke this, but once you get the smoked country ham, which is right here, if you go to the store and buy it, it's in the aisle. It's not in, it doesn't need to be refrigerated until after you open it up. So we're gonna make our country ham and then we're gonna make red-eye gravy. And if you're wondering what red-eye gravy is, you're gonna find out just in a few minutes here. And I melted a little bit of butter in the skillet and we're gonna add the ham and we're just gonna let it cook. It's already cured. I mean, you could eat this without cooking it, but it's better if we cook it. All right, now we got our country ham cooked. I want it a little brown like this, and that's what happens when you use the butter in it. So let's take this out. Then we're gonna make our red-eye gravy. This is a really good ham. It's kind of salty, but I guess that's what makes it good. Red-eye gravy is coffee. So we're gonna deglaze this pan with coffee. Let me get my coffee here. Just had a cup, got a little bit left over. This is gonna be our red-eye gravy. Now we're gonna make our red-eye gravy, which is the drippings from the ham and coffee. And we're just gonna pour it in here and we're gonna kind of scrape up the drippings from the ham. And this is your red-eye gravy. It's just coffee with the ham drippings. It's really good. And I've got some biscuits in the oven. I got some eggs, and this is gonna be my breakfast this morning. So let's check on our biscuits in the oven here. Oh yeah, they look pretty good. Made these up early this morning, so we got our biscuits, and I think I'll take another sip of my coffee. I gotta wake up, I'm not awake yet. Made my biscuits, I got my red-eye gravy. It's ready to go. And I made myself an egg. We're just gonna have breakfast here. So I got my egg. We got our biscuits, and you're gonna open this up just like this and put a little bit of the country ham on our plate. This is really good. It's kind of salty, but it's really good. And then this is just coffee with the ham drippings reduced down to about half. And we're gonna put a little bit on the biscuits. All right, boys and girls, red-eye gravy, country ham, breakfast. So now is the fun part. I'm gonna take a bite of this. Just a little bit of the biscuit here. So good, so good. We're here in the South. You're in Virginia, Tennessee, Georgia, go to the supermarket, get yourself some country ham slices. This is a great breakfast. Thanks for watching, take care. Comments good or bad, let me know. See you guys later. I'm heading out of here.